Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can join gang and Streetz War 2 on Roblox. So guys, go to Roblox game and the corner here you find the groups. Click on groups and go in homepage on Roblox and search for search guys for LAC as you can see here, and after that click on join request. As you can see here guys, add the join group and you have LAC as you can see here, join, and you don't any Bronx and Streetz War. This is description and you can join easily as you can see here, and you can wait for accept, and if eventually you can going to read this description, and you can this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.